Alright, this is Mike getting ready to try to attend to that swarm of bees that is missing. It's got the queen inside and his hive is overpopulated, so that's about 10,000 bees he's going to try to get into that bucket and then transport them back to the hive where he's added a couple new supers, a couple new levels to help with the overcrowding issue. They're not cooperating. There you go. He got most of them right there. Let's hope he got the queen. No, they didn't like that. If I get stung, I'm kicking his ass. I don't know if it'll show up on this film, but you should hear these bees swarming all around me. And I'm not wearing any protective equipment, just to let you know. Bees are everywhere. This is insane. I just got a drop of honey on me, Mike.
Nice.
Right there. A bee just flew over and dropped a bit of honey on me. Yep, they are everywhere. I mean, there's still 2,000 or 3,000 of these little bastards right there. You have to repeat the process, aren't you?
Oh, I got them all.
No, you didn't, dude. Look how many are still up there. If I get stung, I'm kicking your ass. Yeah, they don't like that. You got any words for our viewers?
Messed up.
Do not try this at home.